Dear students, welcome to all of you in English class and hope that all of you are well at your home. Dear students, today we will do the exercise of chapter 1, that is the tiny teacher of book An Alien Hand. Dear students, as you already know that we read the chapter in previous two lectures. Today we will do the exercise. Dear students, this chapter contains 3 exercises, that is 2 comprehension check and 1 is exercise. Now, today we will do all these exercise. Let's start. Now, the first comprehension check which is written at the page number 3 of your book. Now, the question number 1 is, the story of an ant's life sounds almost untrue. The italicized phrase means highly exaggerated, too remarkable to be true, not based on facts. प्यारे बच्चों, इसमें आपको almost untrue का सिनोनियम बताना। यह ऑलमोस्ट अनट्रू जो है एक फ्रेज वर्ड है। हाईली एग्जैगरेटेड मीन्स बहुत अतिशयोक्तिपूर्ण बात। टू रिमार्केबल टू बी ट्रू मीन्स जो है सच्चाई की तरह दिखता है। नॉट बेस्ड ऑन फैक्ट्स जो तथ्यों पर आधारित नहीं है। जो पर सेंटेंस का मतलब है जो चींटियों की जो कहानी है वो लगभग असत्य सी लगती है। अनट्रू का मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट सिनोनियम कौन सा होगा? दैट इज हाईली exaggerated. So the answer of this question is highly exaggerated. Now take another question. Complete the following sentence. Number 1 sentence is, an ant is the smallest dash. We know that a number of facts about an ant's life because dash. प्यारे बच्चों, ये sentences आपको आपके चैप्टर में दिए गए हैं, हमें वहाँ से इसको देख के कंप्लीट करना है। Now let's do. Answer: an ant is the smallest insect we have seen. Another sentence is, we know that a number of facts about an ant's life because people have kept the ants as pets and watched their behavior closely. Now take the another question. In what ways is an ant's life peaceful? जो चींटियों की जो जीवन है वो इतना शांतिपूर्ण किस तरीके से है? तो आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज, the ant's life is very peaceful because each does its share of work intelligently and bravely and never fights with other members of the group. So these are the answer of these questions. Now go to page number 5. Another comprehension check. Question number 1 of this, how long does it take for a grub to become a complete ant? एक ग्रब को पूरी चींटी बनने में कितना समय लगता है? The answer of this question is, a grub takes about 4 to 6 weeks to become a complete ant. Now the another question, why do the workers ants carry the grubs about? The answer of this question is, worker ants feed and clean them and also carry them about daily for airing, exercising and sunshine. Now dear children, let's take another question. The another question is, what job are new ants trained for? जो नई चींटियां हैं उनको किस जॉब के लिए प्रशिक्षण दिया जाता है? New ants learn their duties from the old ants as workers, soldiers, builders, cleaners, etc. Now, dear children, these are also the kinds of the ants. Now, the another question is, name some other creatures that live in ant hill. बच्चों, चींटियों के घोंसले में जो अदर क्रिएचर रहते हैं उनके भी कुछ नाम बताओ। तो आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज, some other creatures that lives in ant hills are beetles, lesser breeds of ants and the green fly. Now dear children, another question. Mention 3 things we can learn from the tiny teacher. ये जो सूक्ष्म अध्यापक हैं इनसे हमने कौन सी 3 चीज़ें सीखी वो हमें बतानी है। Give reasons for choosing these items, और उसका कारण भी बताना है। Now let's read the answer. 3 things we can learn from the tiny teacher are hard work, sense of duty and discipline, and above all, a firm loyalty to the land where they live. These are necessary for peaceful and smooth working of life. So, this is all comprehension check which is written at the page number 5. Now, let's do the exercise. Now, the first question of this exercise is, what problems are you likely to face if you keep ants as pets? अगर आप चींटियों को पालना चाहेंगे तो आपको क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम आएगी, तो उसके बारे में हमें लिखना है इस क्वेश्चन। लेट्स टेक्स द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन। It is very difficult to keep ants as pets because they follow their own rules. They form their home, that is, ant hills, anywhere they like. Above all, they bite and spoil the food. Now take another question. When a group of bees finds nectar, it informs other bees of its location, quantity, etc. through dancing. Can you guess what ants communicate to their fellow ants by touching one another's feelers? The answer of this question is an ant uses its feelers or antennae to talk to the other ants by passing message. Moreover, each ant greets all the others coming from the opposite direction by touching their feelers. Now, dear children, there is another question at page number 6. Let's read. Complete the following poem with words from the box below. Then recite the poem. The words are hole, kennel, nests, anthill, and stable. The poem is soldiers live in barracks and birds in dash, much like a snake that rests in a dash. No horse is able to sleep except in dash, and a dog lives well, mind you, only in a dash. To say hi to an ant, if you will, you may have to climb an. Dear students, let's fill these blanks. First one is soldier live in barracks and birds in nests. Another, much like a snake that rests in a, snake कहाँ रेस्ट करते हैं? Hole. No horse is able to sleep except in a, horse जो है कहाँ सोना पसंद करेंगे? Stable में. A dog lives well, mind you, only in a kennel. To say hi to an ant, if you will, you may have to climb an anthill. Now, let's recite this poem. Soldier live in barracks and birds in nests, much like a snake that rests in a hole. No horse is able to sleep except in a stable, and dog lives well, mind you, only in a kennel. To say hi to an ant, if you will, you may have to climb an anthill. So, dear children, this is all about comprehension check and exercise of chapter 1, that is Tiny Teacher. Hope that you understand well from this video. Dear children, there is also a worksheet along with this video. Kindly solve the questions given in the worksheet so that you can make more understanding about this chapter, that is the Tiny Teacher. Thank you, be happy and safe.